Today, we're exploring the most innovative woodworking tools designed to boost precision and efficiency. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will save time and enhance your craftsmanship. From measuring to cutting, each one ensures flawless results with ease. Stay until the end to discover a game-changing tool for your workshop. Woodpeckers Dowel Guide. Let's kick off today's list with the Woodpeckers Dowel Guide, a highly versatile and precise doweling jig that elevates any woodworking project. Its standout features include variable spacing options, laser-engraved center lines, a sturdy fence, and a flexible stop system, making it one of the most complete dowel jigs on the market. Unlike typical models, this jig isn't limited to fixed pin sizes, and there's no need to keep track of which bushings were used. With adjustable spacing, woodworkers can easily customize the jig to fit their material needs. The Dowel Guide offers 4 bushing sizes, giving you the flexibility to work how you want. Available as a single-size unit or in a deluxe set that includes all 4 bushings, stop extensions, and a wall-mountable rack. It's built for efficient, accessible woodworking. Woodpeckers Joiners Marking Gauge. Next up is the Woodpeckers Joiners Marking Gauge, a refined solution that overcomes the limitations of traditional marking gauges. Its compact design removes unnecessary beam length, bringing precision and comfort right into your hand. Perfect for joinery layout, it creates razor-thin lines at preset distances from reference edges, ideal for furniture projects. With improved ergonomics and balanced handling, this gauge offers a seamless marking experience. Its thoughtful design makes it a must-have tool for woodworkers at any level who want accurate and easy layout marking. Woodpeckers Work Holding Kit. Now, meet the Woodpeckers Work Holding Kit, a brilliantly simple yet powerful solution for securing workpieces. With one fixed and one floating wedge, it uses minimal pressure to deliver impressive holding strength without any complexity. Add in a bench stop or a fixed-height dog for even more stability. No springs or clamps needed. It's built for Festool MFT tables, fitting 20mm holes on 96mm centers. But even without an MFT, you can use the Woodpeckers hole boring jig to make custom tops. Versatile and reliable, it's the ultimate no-fuss work holding system. Woodpeckers Metric Half-Round Bits. For those cutting metric tenons and wanting both precision and aesthetics, look no further than the Ultra Shear half-round bits from Woodpeckers. Ranging from 4mm to 14mm, these bits let you create your own loose tenon stock, unlike pre-made domino tenons that can be visually unappealing in through joints. These bits produce accurate, clean profiles designed to integrate seamlessly, both structurally and visually. They solve the issue of trying to make metric tenons with imperial bits, delivering flawless results every time. Woodpeckers Magquis Dust Ports. Tired of wrestling with your dust collection hose? Woodpeckers changes the game with their Magquis dust ports. Using rare earth magnets and steel rings, these ports snap together effortlessly, with no polarity issues and no extra connectors. Internal and external bevels help guide the connection smoothly, ensuring a tight, slip-free seal. Made from tough ABS plastic, the 3 available fittings, collector side, inline machine side, and surface mount adapter, offer both durability and flexibility for any setup. Woodpeckers Corner Lock. Struggling to hold 2 pieces of stock perfectly square? Woodpeckers Corner Locks are here to help. Just compress the spring, drop it over the corner, and the square steel edge with alignment pins secures your material perfectly. Whether you're clamping, fastening, or simply aligning pieces, these make the job quick and effortless. Precision and stability for corner joints has never been this easy. Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. Woodpeckers Gauge Blocks are the go-to solution for machine setup. Forget bulky, inaccurate squares. These blocks provide exact angles in perfectly machined aluminum blocks. The 225 model offers 45 degrees and 90 degrees, while the 369 model gives you 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees angles. Each block is milled and inspected to deliver unmatched accuracy for your woodworking projects. Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauges. When accuracy matters for tasks like dovetail marking or angle transfers, turn to Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauges. They feature a unique locking system and an ergonomic knob that gives tactile feedback. Internally, a wedge increases clamping power so the blade stays put with minimal effort. Whether you're recreating angles or crafting fine joinery, these bevel gauges deliver reliable performance and accuracy. Woodpeckers Mini Square. Introducing the Mini Square, a compact, precise tool for checking squareness on cutting tool edges. Its size, 1 1/8 inches by 2 inches, makes it perfect for tight spots where traditional squares can't reach. Made from lightweight aluminum and finished in high-visibility anodized red, it's easy to handle and see any misalignment. Keep it in your pocket or tray. It's always ready when you need it. Woodpecker's Universal Cross Dowel Jig. Now let's talk about the Universal Cross Dowel Jig. Essential for assembling strong, high-quality furniture. With it, you can easily drill intersecting holes to accommodate cross dowels, creating joints with impressive mechanical strength. Great for knockdown furniture or shop projects, this jig makes repeated assembly and disassembly simple without sacrificing stability. Woodpecker's Posilock T-Square. Angle layouts made easy. That's what the Posilock T-Square delivers. With spring-loaded detent balls snapping into precision-machined holes, it ensures perfect alignment every time. The satin-finished stainless steel blade includes a scribing guide for crisp, accurate marking. Just snap the head to the desired angle, strike your line, and you're set. It's layout work made foolproof. Woodpecker's Auto Angler. Angled hole drilling just got a whole lot easier. Meet the Auto Angler, your guide for precision drilling at any angle. Its engraved target line and protractor base makes setup fast and accurate. With fences on all 4 sides, optional flip stops, and extension rods, positioning your hole is simple. Line up the index marks, set your angle, and drill. No bulky rigs needed. Indexable Mini. Looking for precision in a compact size? The Woodpecker Indexable Mini Double Square is exactly what you need. This versatile tool works both as a square and a miter square, combining 2 essentials into one compact form. It's smaller than a traditional combination square, making it perfect for tight workspaces. Plus, it features a built-in shoulder that offers added support when aligning on the edge of your material. Just push it with your thumb, and it slides out while keeping the head perfectly level for unmatched accuracy. Need to adjust? The blade dials into any full inch mark with ease. And when you're done, the wall-mountable rack ensures your tool is always within reach and neatly stored. Very Angle Clamp. Struggling with joints that aren't a perfect 90 degrees? The Woodpecker Very Angle Clamp is your answer. This clever fixture doesn't just hold materials together, it clamps joints at virtually any angle up to 180 degrees. Whether you're working with odd angles or tricky miters, this tool provides stability and precision. It comes in 2 sizes, each offering 3 distinct angle ranges for massive versatility. Each clamp includes a laser-engraved scale for quick and accurate adjustments. Just loosen the ratcheting knob, set your angle, and lock it down. Simple to use, incredibly effective, and absolutely essential for custom projects. Pocket Compass. Say goodbye to bulky beam compasses. Woodpecker's Pocket Compass is a compact, high-precision tool that delivers professional results. Built with a pair of precision-machined telescoping body parts, this compass locks into your desired dimension with a simple twist. It includes laser-engraved imperial and metric scales, plus a pivot hole for easy circle drawing on the fly. Lightweight and portable, it slips easily into your apron or pocket without snagging. No more poking yourself with metal parts. Perfect for quick and accurate layouts wherever your project takes you. High Precision Jig. Need flawless round corners in one step? The Woodpecker High Precision Jig is built for just that. Designed to help you cut smooth, accurate radius corners every time, it eliminates the need for extra sanding or cleanup. Just choose your desired radius, align the jig to your workpiece, and run it against a router bearing. Done. Pair it with Woodpecker's free handguard, and you'll even keep your workspace dust-free. It's the go-to tool for clean curves with professional-level precision. Easy Edge. Transform rough, sharp edges into smooth, professional finishes with the Easy Edge tool. Its 90-degree sole and adjustable blade make it easy to glide along corners and soften edges with minimal effort. This tool isn't just for rounding over, it supports multiple chamfer and radius sizes, including 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, and 1/8 inch. It even handles highly figured woods like maple with ease, producing clean, tear-free cuts. A wall-mountable rack keeps it within arm's reach after every use. Once you try it, you won't go back to traditional edge tools. Woodpecker Clamps. Serious about woodworking? Then you need clamps you can rely on. Woodpecker clamps feature zinc-plated bars for smooth operation and rust resistance. Their dual durometer molded handles provide superior comfort and a firm grip for precise clamping pressure. Whether you're gluing panels or holding intricate assemblies, these clamps offer dependable performance and ease of use. Far better than your average clamps. It's the tool upgrade your workshop deserves. Woodpecker Equal Space Divider. Perfect spacing just got easier with the Equal Space Divider from Woodpecker. This tool lets you draw 6 perfectly equidistant lines instantly, moving perpendicular to the guideline for flawless cross-hatching or spacing. Once you lock in your spacing, it's easy to repeat the pattern as many times as needed. Built from 301 full hard stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability for long-term use. And with its included wall-mounted rack, it stays organized and ready whenever you need it. Woodpecker Mighty Mini Scraper. Tough glue spots and tight spaces don't stand a chance against the Mighty Mini Scraper. This compact tool features a carbide insert with 4 razor-sharp edges that scrape efficiently without damaging your wood surface. The comfortable handle makes it easy to use with minimal effort, and it excels in tight corners where larger tools fall short. It's built to last and ideal for both detailed cleanup and heavy-duty scraping. Simple, durable, and incredibly handy. Woodpecker Gap Gauge. For perfect fitting joints, meet the Woodpecker Gap Gauge. This smart tool helps you dial in precise joint fits by adjusting to either side of your material, inside or outside. Once set, it delivers tight-fitting joints without trial and error. Just fit the gauge to your board's thickness, tighten the knob, and you're good to go. Whether you're working on tenons, dovetails, or dados, this mini tool saves time while improving results. Joiner Carver Mallet. Precision meets comfort with the Woodpecker Joiner Carver Mallet. Designed with 4 interchangeable solid brass heads, each textured for better control, this mallet delivers dead blows with 0 recoil. You'll get more accurate strikes while using chisels and carving tools, all with less hand fatigue. The aircraft-grade aluminum handle fits naturally in your hand, making it ideal for extended use. Available in 3 sets, it's a must-have for anyone serious about fine woodworking. Marking knife and pencil. Get 2 marking tools in one with Woodpecker's marking knife and pencil combo. This dual-purpose tool includes both a precision wheel knife and a mechanical pencil, perfect for accurate marking on dovetails, tenons, and more. Each version is made with a red anodized aluminum body and stainless steel components for rugged durability. Whether you're laying out fine joinery or making rough measurements, this sleek tool delivers sharp lines every time. Knuckle Clamp. The Woodpecker. Knuckle Clamp is a true innovation for woodworkers who value flexibility, precision, and safety. Designed with 7 adjustable pivot points and a pair of pivoting flat clamp pads, this hold-down clamp conforms easily to the contours of your workpiece, no matter its shape or size. The lift spring mechanism ensures a smooth, responsive feel during adjustments, and the rubber-molded pad prevents surface damage, even on delicate woods. Thanks to its multi-locking positions, you can set the clamp at various angles or orientations to accommodate tricky setups. Whether you're routing, sanding, or assembling, the knuckle clamp gives you stability and peace of mind, reducing slip and increasing control. It's a smart addition to any serious woodworking bench. Saw Blade Saver? Protect your cutting-edge investment with the Woodpecker's Saw Blade Saver, the easiest and safest way to store and transport circular saw blades. Traditional blade storage methods leave teeth exposed to accidental nicks and chips, but the Blade Saver wraps around the blade's edge like armor. No more dangerous handling or awkward blade stacking. Simply lay the blade flat, wrap the saver around the teeth, secure it with the built-in latch, and hang or store it safely. It prevents blade damage, reduces the risk of injury, and prolongs the life of your tools. Whether in the shop or on the go, this product is a must-have for every craftsman who wants to keep their blades sharp and ready for flawless cuts. Combo T. The Woodpecker 45/90. Combo T is more than a measuring tool. It's a multifunctional layout system designed for serious woodworkers. This innovative T-square transforms into a precision 45-degree miter tool with the push of a button, allowing you to switch angles in seconds without sacrificing accuracy. perfect for laying out complex geometric shapes like octagons or consistent 45-degree miters. It features a solid aluminum construction, laser-engraved markings, and tight tolerances to ensure accurate, repeatable layouts. Whether you're working with long boards or compact stock, this tool's versatility and ease of use will save time and boost precision. Once you're finished, the wall-mountable bracket keeps it within easy reach for your next job. Autoline Drill Guide. Tired of off-center or crooked holes? The Woodpecker Autoline Drill Guide brings drill press accuracy to any location. Whether you're drilling in the field, on-site, or in the shop, this guide helps you get perfectly perpendicular holes without needing bulky machinery. With adjustable travel stops, various guide settings, and compatibility with most standard drill drivers, it offers an unprecedented level of control. The built-in Allen key holder ensures tool-free rod removal for rapid configuration changes, while the rugged build provides years of reliable service. Whether you're making dowel joints, shelf pin holes, or straight-through bores, this tool transforms any handheld drill into a precision boring system. M2 Clamp. The M2 box clamp by Woodpecker is like having a second pair of hands when you need them most. Designed to simplify 90-degree joint assembly, this clamp holds corners perfectly square while glue sets or screws are driven. Its heavy-duty mechanism applies strong, even pressure, and the ergonomic knob or hex key adjustment allows for a custom fit to a variety of material thicknesses. The clamp is compatible with 3 common stock sizes, making it versatile enough for cabinetry, framing, and furniture building. Its open design allows easy access to the joint for drilling and fastening, streamlining your workflow and increasing accuracy. No more awkward clamping setups or misaligned corners, just reliable, repeatable results every time. Dua Angel Drilling Table. The Woodpecker Dua Angel Drilling Table is a revolution in angled drilling. Traditional jigs and makeshift setups often lack the precision and flexibility needed for angled projects. But not this one. Designed with stainless steel quadrants and ultra-precise hinges, this table allows you to set and secure any drilling angle between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. The built-in fence system gives you a stable reference edge for repeatable cuts, while the heavy-duty frame offers unmatched rigidity and support. Whether you're building angled joinery, furniture legs, or artistic installations, this table ensures every drill is straight, secure, and exactly where it needs to be. It's the upgrade your drill station has been waiting for. Woodpecker Deluxe Trammel System. Say hello to precision layout on a whole new level with the Woodpecker Deluxe Trammel System. This isn't just a circle drawing tool, it's an all-in-one layout solution engineered for accuracy and versatility. The kit includes 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch laser-engraved beams in both metric and imperial scales, allowing you to draw perfect circles from tiny to massive with ease. Its sliding clamps and modular threaded holes accommodate a range of attachments, from pencils to cutters, enabling a wide variety of marking and measuring tasks. Whether you're laying out inlays, designing furniture tops, or striking long straight lines, this system delivers flawless results with minimal effort. It's not just a tool, it's a layout powerhouse for every creative project. So, that was the list of the 30 new amazing Woodpeckers tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. See you next time!